Well, hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about market insight of what exactly is happening right now on XAUSD. And in a previous video, I mentioned my secret to spotting reversals even before they happen. And now this will be live into action of what exactly I explained in that video. In that video, I talk about most people don't know the correlation pair to use when it comes to precise price action of XAUSD. And I gave a pair that will give you exactly what you need when trading gold, when you want to trade correlations. That is XAUEUR. Nobody talks about it out there. So, well, let's get into it. I want to take a close look. This is on, let's start with a weekly time frame. I want to take a look what's happening with gold here. Forget about this other tabs. So, I want us first of all to mark the previous week highs. That's the previous week highs. And maybe it's good if we know. So that's previous week highs, okay? It's good if we label them. This is on XAUSD. Just be patient and pay close attention to what's happening here. Let's now go to XAUEUR. Oh, these were about my, these are notes about my previous, video. Hope you guys will check them out. They contain very important information that can help you in your trading journey. So I want us to take a look here. Remember here I had already spotted some SMT and leave that behind. Let's talk about this one. So the previous week high, again, guys, whatever I'm doing here, just the way GBP USD and Euro USD are supposed to be moving together is the exact same way gold XAU USD and XAU EUR gold euro is supposed to be moving together. So if they're not in correlation, meaning that SMT smart money technique or divergence is taking place. And I told you guys, when you're using SMT on smaller time frames, believe me or not, you're really gonna mess up your trading. It messed up my trading for after some time, because you see the concept of time is way too deep than you think. So those smaller time frames like 15 minutes, like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, SMTs, don't pay attention to them. So guys, I want you to take a closer look what's really happening. Remember, these two pairs are supposed to be moving together. XAU EUR and XAU USD are supposed to be moving together. And when they are not, meaning that there's something going on. Now, take a closer look. These are the previous highs, weekly highs, previous week, weekly highs, or previous week highs, okay? Gold has not taken them yet. But gold euro has already taken them. So this is SMT on high time frame. But this is not enough, because maybe it's just a matter of some few hours before gold also comes and takes them out, right? But I want us to take a closer look, guys, here on price action. I did a video about daily bias and weekly bias. I want to take a closer look on how this last week candle related to the previous candle and the previous candle related to the previous week candle. I want to take a closer look here. This week of 7th July closed back in the range of the week of 30th June. It closed back in. We never displaced above these highs. Then last week did what? Closed back in the range, did not displace above the previous or the week of 7th July. It never displaced above. This shows what? Price is not interested, likely not interested in going higher, meaning that there's a possibility price wants to come down here. Right? So what do? We wait, and right here we have that. We first have our confirmation. We have that SMT, which is perfect. Other people like to draw it like this. Maybe if I draw it like this, you'll be able to see it well right there. And I can label it SMT. Just leave that. This is not important. We have SMT right here. That is SMT, smart money divergence. Some smart money technique, right? So there it is, guys. But this is not enough. So how do we enter? Do we just see SMT and start selling? Not yet. I want us to take a look at even closer look into, like, for example, the hourly time frame of both pairs. This is how I take my trades, guys, and this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm already positioned for. I'm already positioned for selling, but I'm still waiting for some few things. Now, understanding daily bias and also session bias or intraday price action is as well as important before making any move on this type of market price action. So I want us to take a look. These are the previous week highs. This was the highest of last week, and I think this was news. Most likely something to do with the CPI. I think I'm not sure, but this was news that did that damage up there. And take a look here, guys. This is on XAUUSD. Price this morning during London Open. This was Asian session, and London Open just came and did what? Took some liquidity over here. This was liquidity grabbed. And apart from taking that liquidity, price balanced a very important PD array. And the way it reacts to the PD array is the most important thing here. Guys, I hope you're paying attention. If you don't reach this video until then I don't know what, I really don't know how to help you guys. Like, I'm trying to show you here exactly, and this is live, guys. This is live. Like, what's happening right now is what I expect to be happening on gold. I'm expecting some sells to be in place. Now, this is what is backing myself, because trading is all probabilities. I'm not saying that right now price cannot just, violate these highs and continue going higher and higher. And it can, yes, that can happen. That's probability. But remember, we are trading price action. We're not trading what we think. We're not trading our emotions. We're not trading how we feel or what we hope for. We're trading what we see, what price is showing us. Guys, I want to take a look at how this morning during this London session, gold reacted to this bear hourly fair value gap that was created last week on Monday, 14th. Now, I wanted to take a look at the correlation. This was last week, Monday. And this is today, Monday. Price did all it wanted to do all week. Down here, up and down, up and down. Then we open this week. We goes back exactly on a specific day, just like this one. It is on a Monday. And the price balances something there. When you hear the concept of time and price, I hope you guys are now starting to get some ideas of what I'm talking about here. And now, that's not all. That's not all. I want to take a closer look. How did these 3 hours candles react to this bear fair value gap of hourly time frame? They never displaced above the consequent encroachment of it. They never displaced above the midpoint of them, which is perfect price action. Both this candle, this hourly. And now we are having, remember I'm using UTC plus 3. So you might have, you might face some change, differences when it comes to time. For example, this candle, the time which is formed is UTC plus 3. I want us to take a look at what is happening here. At 10 a.m., this candle displaces below this candle. This candle displaces below the 9 a.m. candle, showing us signs of going lower. So we have SMT, we have price action into this bearish fair value gap, and we have hourly price action, giving us sells. Guys, even if you don't know anything, like you don't want to have optimal entries, you can as well just sell here. Put your stop loss above the size. I don't expect the size to be taken, but sometimes they can do. You put your stop loss around there, like that, and target these lows. Maybe previous week lows. Target down here. That's 129R. As simple as such. I'm not going to go deeper into more details about this, but I hope you guys have seen exactly what I've done here. It's the same thing here. When we move into hourly time frame of XAUEUR, you will see how price is taking liquidity above here. And after taking liquidity above here, you can see even XAUEUR is even creating a bearish fair value gap, which on the other hand side you see where there's now more of an inversion fair value gap. This price action, guys, is telling you that gold is interested into going lower. We don't know until when or until where, because news is going to be coming in this week, and news, whenever they come in, they often reprogram the direction of the market. So as of now, I'm targeting these lows. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys and you are able to learn something out of it in connection or conjunction with what I taught the other day of how to use a correlation pair of XAUUSD and XAUEUR to spot reversals even before they happen. See you in the next one. Cheers.